Hi, welcome to Chatana.
Hi, hello everyone. So today I'm in Chatana. Exactly 1 year ago, we make a campaign for spreading awareness about the heritage of this village to the local people. And even during the lockdown, these local people take initiative for cleaning and making other stuff for making this village more beautiful. So this is what I want to show you today. So the first initiative from the local people I want to show you is this temple. Before the entrance of this temple was full of mud, and now they clean all the mud and we can see the beauty of the entrance. So cleaning the temple near to this place, they decided also to clean this place, and we found a lot of sculptures. So we know the size of the temple they have here before. So this is because of the cleaning of the local people. So now I'm with Anil Wadekar. He's the man who organizes every Sunday morning the cleaning campaign, and is thanks to this guy that we discovered this ancient temple. So thank you so much for your work, and so thanks to him and the group is managing that Chatana is becoming more beautiful in 1 year. The changes are amazing. Thank you so much. Hi, hello everyone. So today I'm in Chatalna. 1 year ago,
1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome to Charthana.
Perda